Hey everyone, ever looked up and seen a drone buzzing above and wondered, what else can these gadgets do besides capturing cool photos? Well, get ready to be surprised. Drones are doing so much more. They're transforming entire industries in ways you wouldn't believe. Let's start with agriculture. Managing hundreds of acres of crops is tough, but drones make it easier. Farmers can now monitor fields from above, identifying where crops need watering, fertilizing, or pest control. Equipped with sensors, drones can even show where plants are stressed, saving farmers time, resources, and boosting yields. Amazing, right? Now, here's one of my favorites. Emergency response. Imagine a disaster or medical emergency where every second counts. Drones now deliver critical supplies like medical kits, food, and defibrillators to remote areas. During COVID-19, drones even delivered medicine and test samples where regular transportation couldn't reach. Truly life-saving drones are also protecting our planet. Conservationists use them to monitor wildlife, track endangered species, and map deforestation. They provide a sky-high view that helps preserve nature. One inspiring example is drones replanting forests. They drop seeds over deforested areas, efficiently covering large spaces to regrow damaged land. Finally, there's construction and infrastructure. Surveying huge sites used to take days, but drones get a full view in minutes. They help construction teams inspect, map, and track progress while staying safe and efficient. Some even create 3D maps, allowing engineers to plan every inch with precision. So, from farming to emergency response, conservation to construction, drones are truly flying us into the future. They're not just high-tech toys. They're transforming industries to make things faster, safer, and more eco-friendly. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the coolest way you've seen drones being used?